A hydraulic turbine operates under a net head of 45 meters and produces an output power of 1,200 kilowatts. Given that the overall efficiency of the turbine is 80%, determine the required water flow rate in cubic meters per second. Okay? We have a formula for power. Power is gamma Q H. So take note on this formula, no? Power output is gamma Q H A. This is applicable for pump power output gamma U H added. HAs and PED added. Sa turbine, ang gagamitin nyo is power input. Gamma Q head extracted. Same thought lang, that's the head required. Since turbine yung ating ginamit dito, o generate a power or electricity, then we will be using this one. So, output power yung given. Efficiency is output over input. Turbine tayo, kaya kailangan natin kunin si input. Input power is output over the efficiency. Well, if the output power is 1,200 and efficiency is 80% or 0.8, the input power of the turbine is 1,500 kilowatts. Okay? So, ngayon, PI is gamma Q and extracted. Okay? Now, I will have here the unit analysis para makita nyo talaga yung paano mo ginagawa ito. No? If ever nakalimutan nyo yung formula, pwede nyo idaan sa unit analysis. Ang bawal input is 1,500 kilowatts. Kilowatts is equivalent to kilonewton meter per second. Ang gamma, this gamma water is 9.81 kilonewton per cubic meters. Okay? Q is ano, that's the flow rate. And HE is head extracted. Ito na ko yan, under a net head of 45 meters. As you can see, kung unit analysis natin, itong kilonewton magkakancel, itong meters magkakancel. So, the unit of Q becomes cubic meter per second.